In Novo Nordisk, we do see Trace as the key driver in the circular transition in Denmark. It's a unique partnership that was established a few years ago, where private companies and public organizations, mostly universities, is really a strong voice in ensuring a circular transition. For Novo Nordisk, then plastic is a big issue for us. We deliver our products in a plastic device. And in many countries, this device is just discarded and put on landfill. So from a company perspective, we do really have a need and an urge to try to solve this issue, not only for Novo Nordisk, but in general, not only in Denmark, but also on a global perspective. And we think that Trace have the setup and the capabilities that can help us solve one of the biggest challenges we as a company have in terms of environmental sustainability. I see a big opportunities for companies, big and small, to participate in Trace. Not only do you get knowledge around circular economy, but you will also have the opportunity to have your problem solved with the help of other companies and also with the help of some of the brightest brains in Denmark via the academia collaboration. The uniqueness of Trace is also that it brings together both the plastic part and the textile part. And even though you can think that those are really two different aspects, then having the circular economy as the key point in both textile and plastic gives a good opportunity to really rethink the agenda and think about some of the solutions in a different way.